What they do? Ugly. Y'all, so
turn left on Industrial Park Drive.
like I told you from the last video, I got my fridge. I didn't get my microwave because they gave me this big ass fridge. If I had a microwave, it'd be all the way up here and I wouldn't be able to see on my right mirror. So they just gave me that that fridge right there, which is good enough. I'm gonna give y'all a quick fridge tour as soon as I pick this up. So I'm dropping this trailer off right here, and I'm picking up another trailer.
Arriving at 755 Industrial Park Drive on the left.
I'm picking up another trailer, loaded trailer. So, oh, what a lifestyle! Like I never did. Either these are the loaded trailers or those are the loaded trailers. These are all the empty trailers. So, oh whoa. Oh, let me try. I'm gonna have to go around because I messed up I set it up wrong. That's one thing I learned about backing up semi truck, but you're gonna be able to, like, it's all about the setup. Just set it up wrong, you're gonna struggle, you know? You're gonna struggle. I like to ride with my seat all the way down, but when I park, I need that shit all the way up, bro. So I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see or anything, but I need to get this right. Let's park this one. Let's park over there. So all the way to the left. All the way to the left. And then right out. I hate parking. Oh my God. See, I hate parking at the right side, bro. Let me. I hate parking on the right side, bro. I hate that shit. Can't see nothing, bro. Like, literally. I did that shit once, bro. I ain't gonna lie. here actually. That'd be way more easier actually. Stop doing all that bullshit. What you looking at, nigga? Sticks. Oh shit, I'm not gonna make it. Huh?
You okay?
Yeah. I'm just trying to park.
Looks like you're struggling.
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, I'm the owner.
Okay. Hey.
You okay though?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know where you're gonna try to park this trailer?
Yeah, I'm trying to park it around here, I think.
Okay. You can see your mirrors. You see okay?
Yeah.
Is this empty?
Huh? Yeah, it's empty.
What are you taking out of here?
I think one of those.
A bale trailer or something like that?
Yeah, I'm going to
Okay.
Minnesota.
Okay. How's
Yeah.
backing and driving been for you in general?
It's been pretty good. I just sometimes like I'm good at my like parking to the left. Sometimes I can't see on that
Okay.
parking to the right, but
Okay. This
trying
is a good truck. Make sure you keep it nice.
yeah, I'm keeping it nice.
Okay. All right. Yeah. This typically they put the empties right here and over there. That part's full over there,
Yeah.
and then the outgoing ones they try to put over there.
Okay.
If you ever bring a full one in, it goes like on the concrete slab or over there.
Yeah.
Are you taking bales out of here and
I'm taking one of the
one of those ones over there?
Yeah, I
Yep.
think.
I just parked those over there.
Okay.
Okay. What's your
All
name?
right. Reb G.
Reggie?
Yeah.
Reggie?
Reb G. Yeah.
Wait, how you spell that?
Reb G. Reb.
R-E-B?
Yeah, R-E-B and then DJY.
Got it.
Yeah.
All right, I'm usually in Kenosha, but
Okay.
I'm up here helping somebody because he's on vacation this week.
Okay.
So
All
I'll
right.
see you in Kenosha. I like your hat.
All right. Thank you. All right.
All right.
All right. Let me see. If I go this way, and reset. I should have just did this from the beginning.